It's 2036 and the real estate world split in two. Back in 2026, everyone was talking about AI, how it was going to change everything, how it was going to replace real estate agents. They were right. Some people spent those years pushing back against AI, ignoring it, or hoping it would fade away. Now in 2036, they're dependent on the system, taking whatever work the giant tech portals send their way. They don't own their business. They don't own their relationships. They own nothing. Because back in 2026, they didn't build anything. They waited, and now they're still waiting. But there was another group. They saw the AI wave coming, and instead of drowning in it, they built. They helped their people implement AI when nobody else knew how. They grew their businesses, acquired assets, and created real options for their people. Now they own their time, their income, and their lives. I know this feels far away, but 10 years is a blink. The small number of agents doing most of the transactions? They made their move in 2026 when the window was wide open. Click below and I'll show you exactly what they did.